People are making a huge amount of money with TikTok Creativity Program, and this is your opportunity to start making money right now. So I am not going to waste your time, and let's get right into it. There is a niche that is blowing up recently, like this account, for example. He is making fake text messages videos where guys are trying to pick up girls in a dating app. He has lots of videos with over 1 million views. For example, this video has over 2 million views, and other similar videos have blown up also. This niche is not saturated yet, so you can hop on the trend as well. So let's get started. I am going to show exactly how to make these videos. The first step is to create the messages. To do that, go to Google and search for Tinder Messages Generator and open up this link here. Now we need to generate a text between a guy and a girl. One way is to go to ChatGPT and ask from AI to make the messages, although the results with AI are not going to be that good. Another way is to see what videos are competitors doing and mimic their viral videos. But the best way is to go to Reddit and search for inspiration there. Go to Tinder subreddit and start scrolling and search for texts that are funny, have a good hookup line, and are generally funny conversations. The video needs to be at least 1 minute long for TikTok Creativity Program. You can also use multiple pickup chats for one video if you don't find long enough conversations. Once you have found the inspiration, save these pictures and go to Google and search for image to text and open up this link. Import the pictures here, and now you have the picture as text. Copy all the text to Word or Notepad. Now adjust the text to be more interesting by adding your own twist to the conversation. Having a good hook, funny conversation, and plot twist in the end is the key to going viral. Now go back to the Tinder message generator and make up a random girl name and insert a picture of good-looking girl here. And now start adding the texts that you previously created. Now, if you have a full picture of text, save the picture and delete the previous messages and continue the text. Now, if you have created the fake messages, we need a voiceover. Go to Google and search for ElevenLabs. Once you have a user here, you have a list of voices here. Choose one for female voice and one for male voice. Now copy and paste the male part of the text messages here and generate the voiceover. And do the same for the female voice. Now we need to edit the video. Go to Google and search for CapCut and download the free editing software. Open it up and import all the pictures and voiceovers here. We also need a background video. For that, go to YouTube and search for Minecraft Parkour and choose Creative Commons filter. Now, let's pick, for example, this, and copy the link and go to Google and search for YouTube MP4 downloader. Open this one up and insert the copied link and download the video. Import the downloaded video and keep in mind to use 9:16 ratio. And now drag the pictures and voiceovers on the editing timeline and put them in the right order. Do this by cutting the voiceovers and place the male and female voices as they appear on the text messages. I am just going to speed up this part. Once you are ready, it should look like this. Select all the pictures and make them smaller by lowering the scale. And now we need to mask the photos. Go to Mask tab up here and select the horizontal mask. To reveal the text, drag this line to the first part of message and create a keyframe. Now when the next message starts, create a new keyframe and move 1 frame forward and drag this line to reveal the next message. And basically you need to do this for the rest of the messages as well. And now the video is ready. Export the video and you are good to go. This is the end result.
I don't like to brag, but I have the perfect mix of being naughty and sweet. Just a heads up.
Oh, that's very exciting. I am trans, by the way. I don't know how you feel about that. I totally get it if that's not your thing.
When uploading to TikTok, keep in mind to use trending sound and put the volume as low as possible to increase your chances of going viral. And that's it, guys. Subscribe for more valuable content and keep grinding.